Are you a senior who feels a little left behind with technology? Does typing on a phone or even a computer feel slow, frustrating, and overwhelming? What if I told you that using chat was as simple as talking to a friend sitting across the table from you? Here's what makes this so special. You don't need to type quickly or even type at all. You can simply talk to it out loud like you're talking to a person sitting across the table from you. And before we go any further, I want you to hear this clearly. You cannot break ChatGPT. You can't mess it up. You can't damage it. You can't press the wrong thing and ruin it. It's designed to have conversations with you. Think of it like a very patient assistant or best friend who listens carefully and responds clearly. ChatGPT is an AI assistant you can talk to in normal, everyday language. Not computer language, not special commands, just regular speech. You can literally tap the microphone button in the app and say, "Hi, I'm new to this. Can you help me understand what you do?" And it will respond. You can interrupt it. You can ask follow-up questions. You can say, "I don't understand that," or "Explain that a little more simply," or "Can you slow down?" That's what makes this so powerful for seniors. You're not filling out forms. You're having a simple conversation with a friend. Let's talk about how to start. There is a free version and a paid version. Let's talk about what that looks like. You can use ChatGPT for free. As a matter of fact, I encourage you to do that. The free version gives you text conversations, voice to text, you speak it types, full conversational back and forth conversations. You can get help with writing or cooking, tech questions, planning, and more. For most beginners and seniors, the free version is more than enough to get started. Now, there is also a premium version that costs about $20 a month. The premium version includes faster responses, access to more advanced AI models, better file and document analysis, more advanced image understanding, expanded tools and features. But here's the important part. You do not need the $20 version to start benefiting from ChatGPT. Start free. Totally free. Get comfortable with it. Upgrade later only if you feel you need the extra features. Let's start with your first voice conversation. The first thing you're going to do is either open the ChatGPT application from your device, either your phone or on your laptop, or you can open the ChatGPT website in your browser and look for the little microphone icon down in the bottom search bar or type bar and just tap it. Now just say, "Hi, ChatGPT. I'm 60 years old and I'm not very good with technology. Can you explain how you can help me in simple terms?" And then just stop talking. It will respond. You'll hear or see the response, and then you can respond to that. Now you can reply out loud. So do you see what's happening now? You're not typing. You're not typing paragraphs. You're not typing sentences. You're just having a simple conversation. This is especially helpful if you have arthritis, or you don't like small keyboards on your phone, or you type slowly. You prefer speaking naturally. Have a conversation. You can speak long explanations, just as if you were talking to a person. You can ramble a little. That's okay. It will organize your thoughts for you. Let's go over some everyday uses that you can use ChatGPT for. I can show you how conversational this can be. Say you want to get some help with an email. You could say, "I need to email my doctor about rescheduling my appointment next Thursday. Make it polite. Done. Recipe help. You can tell ChatGPT, I have chicken, I have carrots and potatoes. What can I cook tonight? And he'll give you some information. You can get budgeting help. You can say something like, I'm retired and living on Social Security. Help me create a simple monthly budget. Say you want help with travel plans. You could say, I'm planning a trip to Florida. What should I pack? And it will give you a list. You don't need perfect wording. You can just say, okay, wait, that's not what I meant. Let me explain again. And then repeat whatever you've just said. And your chat will adjust, just like a real conversation. Let's talk about the best way to get answers. The secret is talk to it like a person. Instead of short comments, explain your situation. Tell ChatGPT who you are. For example, I'm 68. I have mild knee pain, and I want to start walking for exercise. What would be a safe beginner plan? The more context you give, the better the answer will be. You are completely in control of the conversation at all times. Let's talk about safety and privacy basics. This is a tool. And even though this feels very conversational and like you're just talking to a friend, remember, you don't want to share your highly personal information. You don't want to share your social security number. You don't want to share your bank account information, your passwords, very private personal data. Just remember to keep all financial and medical details general. Make your conversations very general. And instead of giving exact account information, say something like, how do I reduce monthly expenses? Instead of uploading private legal paperwork with sensitive numbers, just remove personal identifiers. Remove them first, and then provide the information. Think of ChatGPT as a smart assistant, but still use common sense online. Remember that fixing mistakes is easy. And one of the biggest fears that beginners have is, what if I say or do something wrong? Here's the truth about that. There is no wrong thing. If it misunderstands you, just say, that's not what I meant, or let me rephrase. And you can even say, start over. Some of the powerful features of ChatGPT, we'll go over the free version and the premium version. Let's talk about a few of those features. Many features are available even on the free plan. Voice conversations. You can have full back and forth spoken conversations with your ChatGPT. It's incredible. You can upload documents. You can upload medical bills or a confusing letter that you got, a PDF document, a printed document photo, and just say, explain this in simple language. If you're wanting help with an image, you can take a picture of something and ask, what is this plant? And it will provide you all kinds of information. What does this error message mean? And it will tell you. But again, start with free and master the basics. Just get familiar with the interface. Upgrade only if you feel limited. And I don't think you will. I think you're going to love this and it's going to change your life. Let's practice right now. Open your ChatGPT and tap the microphone and say, give me 5 ways ChatGPT can help someone over 65. When it gives you the answer, then say, now explain the first one step by step. And it will respond. Then you can say, can you simplify that? It's like a conversation. Notice how natural it feels. You're guiding the conversation. It is responding. That's the power. And remember, you can always ask ChatGPT itself. Teach me how to use you better. And it will. Let me leave you with this. You are not behind. You are not too old. You are not bad at technology. This tool was built to talk with you, not at you. You can speak naturally. You can ask follow-up questions. You can take your time. Start with one conversation today. Just one. And if you need extra help, just check the description down below and the pinned comment for extra helpful resources on this topic, and it will give you tons of information. This really isn't about technology. It's about confidence. And now you have a tool that listens to you, helps you, is patient and kind, and will talk to you as long as you want to talk. Let me know if you need anything. Until the next time, have a great day.